Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI poster in CapCut. It's super easy, instant, and only takes a few steps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the CapCut app and then just go to AI Lab sections, this one. And then just tap on More Tools, this one. Just tap on it and then just choose AI poster like this. And now inside AI poster sections, you will see there are three different methods you can use. You can use a AI poster method that it has a simple prompt. This is the easiest options that you can just type a short descriptions or idea and then just upload your image or your picture that you want to transform into a poster. And then it also has smart scripts, this one is more guided. It gives you suggestions and structure input to help create a more detailed and professional designs. You can choose your type of poster and then just type your prompt in here and upload your image. And then even you can also choose categories. Next, it also has advanced script. That this method is for people who want more control. That in here you can write a more specific prompt with detailed instructions like this. That it will make a highly customized poster. But for this tutorial, we will stick with the simple prompt method or AI poster, AI poster method since it's quick and easy. Now just upload a photo that you want to turn into a poster. Just tap on the plus button and then just choose your photo and then just select the part that you want to use as a reference. You can choose compositions or subjects, and in this tutorial I will use subjects. And then just tap add. Next, just write your prompt. For example, I will type my prompt like this. Like this, and then just choose the poster size. Just tap on settings and then just choose poster size or aspect ratio that you want. In this tutorial I will just choose 3 by 4 and after that just click on generate. And then you will get 4 designs like this, but this time in my result there is a one that failed to generate maybe, but it's okay, we still have the others. Let's check the poster like this and then just choose one that you like, and even you can also enhance the poster or even you can also edit the poster again. Just type your prompt about the edit or even you can edit it manually. And then when you're happy with the final looks, you can tap on save to save your poster. Okay, that's how you make an AI poster in CapCut. It's fast and easy. Just try experimenting with different prompts and photos to get unique designs every time. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.